The all-new 2025 Subaru Forester continues to build on the Forester's rich history, allowing owners to explore their passions and live life to its fullest by showing them what love can do. The all-new Forester stands out in any environment with its modern redesign inside and out. The Forester has all the capability of a larger SUV, but is more nimble and right-sized. Standard Subaru Symmetrical all-wheel drive offers the power to go where adventure takes you. 8.7 inches of ground clearance lets you take more challenging terrain in stride. Dual Function X Mode offers maximum traction in unexpected conditions, like mud and snow. The Forester has room for what you love, with ample passenger and cargo space. And an extra-wide rear gate opening, and an available foot-activated hands-free power rear gate makes for easy unloading and loading. While you can keep any additional gear secured with standard roof rails. Inside, an 11.6-inch high-resolution touchscreen is available to give you access to the latest information and entertainment. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration, and wireless charging, so you can stay connected, even when you're out here. The all-new Forester has upgraded Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology with automatic pre-collision braking, now with an even wider field of vision to help avoid and prevent potential accidents before they happen. And an available panoramic moonroof allows you to get an even better view of the great outdoors. From interior to exterior, every Forester trim has all-new sleek styling. Make a strong statement by opting for the Forester Sport with new 19-inch bronze finish alloy wheels and bronze finish accents, along with StarTex upholstery that is dirt and water repellent. The Forester Touring offers even more luxury at the highest trim level, including leather-trimmed upholstery with ultra-suede accents and heated front and rear outboard seats. The Forester Touring is sure to impress with its 19-inch machine finish alloy wheels. Versatile, capable, safe, and long-lasting. The newest generation of the Forester gives owners everything they've already loved and more, all in an impressive modern design. The all-new 2025 Subaru Forester lets you live life to its fullest in a vehicle that shares the same adventurous spirit and love of the great outdoors. Look what love can do in the all-new 2025 Subaru Forester.